Hello friends, welcome back again to my channel. So this is another video I am came up with. This is the product I purchased today from Flipkart. So this is Beardo Godfather fragrance. Let's unbox it. Let's unbox it. So let's unbox it. I'm unboxing it. This is 50 ml bottle. It cost the cost of it was around 200 due to Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. It's quite hard to now it's completely so this is wow. I, I like the cute small sized package. I like the package actually. I like the package truly cute package, very cute package. And the bottle should be very cute because the package is very cute. Wow, what a bottle, what a bottle, nice bottle. Wow, beautiful bottle. Beardo Godfather, nice bottle. Wow, cute and nice bottle. Wow, this is very cute bottle, red bottle as you all know. So this is the Godfather logo tie, and here it is the atomizer. Wow, 50 ml bottle, and wow, beautiful atomizer, an awesome scent, believe me. Wow, 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 awesome scent, awesome smell. And sprayer is very good, very good sprayer. How beautiful the sprayer is. Wow, nice sprayer. So I'm deeply recommended this because I already know about it before. So I haven't used it, but I tried a single time before. So I liked it. Then I purchased it today. So thank you for watching my video.